Hello everyone. I have two sump pumps that were left behind by a previous tenant on the property I live at. One is a ever built. Darn, I wish I had my flashlight here. This is a 1 horsepower. I see a lot of them online, or excuse me for burping. There are half horsepower or 1/3 horsepower. So this ever built one is 1 horsepower. So he's been teaching. I believe it's in Africa. For the last, they're coming back this year, 2026. And so, but before they left, they sold their vehicle, they moved out of the apartment above where I live. Probably the best neighbors I've ever had. Really, really nice people. And so they left stuff that they couldn't sell or didn't sell. They left. They gave me a lawnmower, and they left the sump pumps and other stuff. So okay, so this one is I guess an Ace brand half horsepower. I don't know who made it for Ace. I'm sure it's another company that made it. Okay, we are going to test these. And let me move the crate I was sitting on. I'm going to, darn, if I only had a stand. So I'm going to test. Okay, I don't know how far water's going to shoot. When I plug these in, okay, plug it in, turn the switch off. Okay, there. Turn the switch on. I think I have to move this plunger up to get it to come on. Yep, it works. Wow. A lot better than I thought it would. Looks like I'm going to have to wipe the ceiling down. I did not anticipate that. Alright, I'll make another video for the other sump pump. Okay, come on, hit the button. Trying to get the button to stop the video. Now my screen is wet. My phone is wet. Okay, this was all by accident. It definitely works. Oh, come on, darn it. Okay, take the cover off. Okay, now take the screen protector off. I just thought it would come up. I thought the water would come up. You know, maybe shooting 3-4 feet in the air, not like a geyser. Oh boy. Okay, now another one of those if I had 3 hands. Looks like I'm going to be wiping down the ceiling for the next few minutes. But we know it works. We know it works. Okay, with the other one, when I hit the button and plug it in, I'm going to have to hold my hand over. Alright, hold my hand over outlet right down there. Hopefully I won't get soaked. Okay, now we got the other protector off. And I'll hit the button and stop the video. Thanks for watching.